grapes have been resting and drying for about 2 months now. We normally wait about 2 or 3 months before we start to press the grapes when we want to get some juice out of them. And that's the first step in making an Appassimento style wine. So similar to an ice wine where we concentrate the juice to make a really premium style wine and to get a little more sugar out of the grape, we do that here, but instead of leaving the wine as sweet, we ferment all that sugar down and get a little more alcohol and a little more heat out of the wine. Which also makes the wine a little more expensive because we're using a lot more grapes to produce only 1 bottle of wine instead of more bottles. So if you look here, we'll see just how much they're shriveling. So when we dry the wine, or the grapes, it should look a little something like this. So they're almost like raisins, but not quite there yet. Yeah. So once we press the juice and we turn it into wine, we put it into barrels and we age it for about 2 years, and then we put it in bottling. It can take about 6 to 12 months before we release the wine when it's proper and ready to go. So next time you come to Hinterbrook, we might have an Appassimento style wine ready for you.